How's it going, guys? We're in here on the fish tank. Look at the rainbow fish. Of course, you ain't never gonna see them because they won't see them focus. Goes out of the range of this lens. Hey, look, there goes Gary. Gary the snail floating by. Camera is not autofocusing. This thing, let's start this over. How's it going? Look at the rainbow fish, guys. Gary the snail's floating around. We got our bronze corridor back there. Probably a peppered. Got a bunch of little peppered ones in here somewhere. Looking around, I got plenty of rainbow fish on this tank. Redid the filter, added some more foam to it. Basically an intake sponge. I got a few plants that come undone and start floating. We got a 20-gallon long we got set up yet, and a 55. Well, that'll be future videos. We lost our male in these guys, the rainbow fish. Lost both of them actually. So if I can get over here with this tank, I don't want to break this tank. Got another 10-gallon over here. It's got to be rich silicone. But the females look healthy. We're just going to give it time till the fry gets a little bit bigger and we'll put them back in there. We'll probably do it any day, but we got that African dwarf frog that we got to figure out what we're going to do with it. You guys all had them impulse buys and you find out it eats your fish. Well, that got me with the frog. It was too cute. But anyways, guys, that's what's going on in here. Have a good day. How's it going, guys? We're looking at the little pandas down in here. Focus, of course. If we can get a little closer, these tanks anyway coming in over. Anyways, there's the 4 panda cats in the big tank. They kind of feel lost, I think. Sometimes they hide out in SpongeBob's house. Got some racers in here, these rainbows. Start to get pretty nice size. Some are still small, but feeding microworms and all kinds of other things to them. We got baby catfish in there somewhere, but I don't see them. Let me see if I can feed and get them to come out. Be right back. Okay, guys, there's one of the little pepper corridors. See if we can zoom in. No, that's perfect. There's a couple more back in there. But anyways, that's where the little peppered court. Okay, guys, I got them fed. Let's see if we can see any of them. There's one of the peppered males I put in here. He just stuck back there by the tree. He's dark. Oh, he looks pretty. You can see him. There's the orange. The bronze one, we got some babies out here in front. You can see them, they're so camouflaged. Trust me, there's a fish right there somewhere. Or he went moving. Did you see him move? Oh, can't be too far off. Where's he at? And then there are a couple of them right there. You just can't even see them. Wow. There goes one right there. Tell me them things don't camouflage. We know how they make it in the wild, huh? There's actually 2 of them right there. But anyways, guys, I just want to shoot this time. Enjoy. Catch you later. They're just beans.
I did a lot.